Are you leaving the UK, or have you relocated in the last 4 tax years? You might be due a tax refund. This guide will walk you through the process of claiming your UK tax back, helping you navigate HMRC's system and potentially putting money back in your pocket. Anyone who has been employed under PAYE and left the UK in the last 4 tax years is eligible to apply for a UK tax rebate. The key requirement is that you must have earned enough to pay income tax in the year of your refund claim. Remember, HMRC wants to refund your money, but you often need to take the initiative and apply for it. There are several reasons why you might be due a leaving the UK tax refund. These include unused personal allowance in the year you leave, unclaimed job expenses such as work equipment or uniform maintenance, incorrect tax codes, non-resident status, or being a non-resident landlord of UK property. You might also be eligible if you are paying UK tax on pension income, or if you continue to be a UK taxpayer while employed in another country. Time is of the essence when it comes to claiming your tax refund. You have 4 tax years from the tax year in which you leave to claim back UK tax. It is crucial to submit an official claim within this 4-year timescale, or you risk losing any money owed to you. The amount of tax you can claim back varies depending on your specific circumstances. Factors such as how much tax you paid in the UK and whether you had other sources of income all play a role. There is no upper limit to how much you can claim. Often, people leaving the UK are due a repayment of income tax from the tax year in which they leave, typically the difference between the tax paid and what would have been paid for a full year of work. To claim your leaving the UK tax back, you will need to complete a P85 form. This form asks for information such as the date you left the UK, your UK residency status, and your employment situation abroad. You can submit the P85 online or by post. You will also need your P45 from your last UK employer, although a claim is still possible without it. Your national insurance number, found on payslips and tax forms, is also required but not essential if other information is available. If you need to claim tax back for employment expenses, you will need to complete a separate P87 form. This form goes through a different process and may take a different amount of time to complete, depending on the nature of the expenses claimed. Once your claim is processed, HMRC will calculate any overpaid tax and produce a P800 form explaining how they calculated your refund. You can choose to receive your refund via bank transfer to a UK account or by cheque. If you do not have a UK bank account, you can nominate someone else to receive the refund on your behalf. In summary, if you are leaving or have left the UK, you may be entitled to a tax refund. Remember to check your eligibility, gather the necessary documents, and submit your claim within the 4-year timeframe. By understanding the process and taking action, you can ensure you receive any tax refund you are due. You can find out more about tax rebates and tax calculators at www.taxrebateservices.co.uk. The content used in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute advice. We recommend that you do your own research on each subject and take advice from HMRC or a professional tax advisor.